Student, today we are going to study about the noise pollution, acoustic protection, ultrasound, and in the end we will study about the uses of the ultrasound. Noise pollution. Student, the sound which produces jarring effect to our ear is known as noise. Means the sound when we hear, then we feel jarring effect, we feel irritation, then such type of the sound is known as noise. And of course noise is nuisance, because in the residential area, if there is some construction, so due to the sound of the machineries, we become irritated, we can't sleep well. Okay, so in the factories area, the hammering sound, the sound of heavy machineries, and if there is any office in the factories area, then the employees can't concentrate their work. Okay, so all these things proves that the noise is nuisance. Similarly, if you see the horns, the sound of horns of different vehicles, okay, if the silencer of the vehicle does not work properly, then the vehicle produces the noise, which is and such type of the noise is harmful to our health. Like the boring machine in the residential area create a lot of noise, and due to such noise, the people can't concentrate their work, they can't sleep well. Okay, so all these discussion proves that the noise is nuisance. Acoustic protection. Acoustic protection, it is a scientific method which is used to absorb the undesirable sound. Okay, and it is used to reduce the level of the echo, like in auditorium. Okay, the acoustic protection is applied, means soft and porous material are applied in the auditorium, like carpets, curtains, foams. These soft and porous materials are the sound absorbing material. They absorb the sound, and due to which they reduce the level of the echo and the noise, and due to which a person in the auditorium can easily deliver his speech, and the audience in such auditorium can easily understand what he is saying. Importance of acoustic protection: reduce stress level and improve well-being. Okay, so these are the importance of acoustic protection. So the people in the auditorium, if they listen the speech easily without any disturbance, okay, this means there is no stress level of such type of the persons. Reduce reverberation. Reverberation occurs due to the multiple reflections. And of course, uniform sound distribution and appropriate low background noise and no echoes. Audible frequency range. Of course, human ear can hear a particular range of frequency of sound that lies between 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. And such a range of frequency of sound is known as audible frequency range. Some animal has the greater audible frequency range. For example, dogs. Okay, so its frequency range is greater than the frequency range of the dogs and the cow is greater than 20,000 hertz. So these animals can hear the ultrasonic waves, but the human ear can hear the particular range of frequency of sound that start from 20 hertz and end at 20,000 hertz. Ultrasound. Simple. Sound waves of frequency greater than 20,000 hertz is known as ultrasound. Okay, but human ear can't hear such type of the sound. Human ear can't hear ultrasound, but some animals such as dogs and cows can hear ultrasound because their audible range is greater than 20,000 hertz. Uses of ultrasound. There are a lot of uses of ultrasound. It is used to find the depth of the sea. Okay, it is used to clean the ornaments. Since in the ultrasonic waves the frequency is very high, the vibrations of the particles in the ultrasonic waves are very high, so it is used for cleaning purpose. And it is also used, since as I have told you, the vibrations of the particles in the ultrasonic waves are very high, so it is also used to kill the germs in the liquid. Ultrasonic waves is also used to break a large particle into small pieces. It is used to remove the blood clots in the arteries. And it is used to get the picture of thyroid gland for diagnosis purpose. Since ultrasonic waves has high frequency, and due to high frequency it has high energy level and high intensity, and due to which it has greater penetrating ability. Penetrating ability means the ability of the waves to cross the object. That's why it is used in the medical field for the diagnosis purpose. It is also used by the engineers to monitor the inaccessible parts of the engine or any devices. Now thank you very much.